Got my kawa soap. Nature baths.
Nature baths, whānau nature baths.
Now that is one of the better ways to start the day, whānau. Not much happening today. I'm going to go into town though, upload this vlog, and hopefully I've got some prezzies arriving in the mail, so woo! Haha, that is a beautiful day. Right on, whānau, let's head to town and go and do some upload some vlog onto Wi-Fi. I've left brother John and his whānau that ika that I got yesterday. It's in their freezer, so as a bit of a koha for letting me stay at their beautiful whare. Thank you, brother, if you're watching this, sister, if you're watching this, and little Jack. I appreciate it a lot, and look forward to connecting up with you again one day. Just making me a quick coffee to take into the library so I don't have to end up buying one of those bloody $5 ones.
That's one of our dog mats.
Let's see. Yeah, 5,000 subscribers. Me, my beautiful whānau, thank you all for following. Beautiful. Right on, whānau, we are in the Kaitaia Library, and I have just connected up with this brother Nikora. Massive, my brother.
Kia ora, my
My
Māori.
bro. Me. And what's your page called, my bro?
Our page is called Northland Māori Adventures. We're a syndicate where we have multiple businesses that do tourism souvenirs, and also we do tourism packages.
Beautiful. And the brother's been kind enough to invite us back to that beautiful place to come and have a nohi at your whare, eh, my bro?
Yeah, so we've got a whare that's on 5 acres of subtropical gardens called Serafina's Park and Garden, just out of Kaitaia, heading south on State Highway 1, called Serafina's Park and Gardens.
Me. And a little bit of history about yourself, my brother?
Yeah, kia ora. So myself, I've got a background of military. I used to be in New Zealand Navy and Army, 13 years service, returned serviceman, 2 tours, one to Arabian Gulf back in '96, and then Afghanistan in 2007. Then I started 3 companies. So my first one was called Life Challenge Limited, specialising in nutrition and life coaching. And then I re-established it in Auckland 2 years ago and changed it from that to Tefena Limited, which is our Tuturu surname from Tainui. Yeah. And then just recently, just last month, I incorporated a business called Northland Māori Adventures.
Northland Māori Adventures.
Yeah, ka pai.
That's cool, my brother. That's cool. Oh well, ngā mihi, my brother. Thanks for the connection, and we'll be seeing a bit of the brother later, hopefully, when we're going to turn up back to your place.
Ai bro, ai, more than welcome.
Che whānau.
Ka kite whānau.
Just going for a bit of a stroll up Kaitaia main street. I don't know. Do you reckon I look a little bit homeless? Maybe some people might think I'm homeless. Check this place out, eh? Free Wi-Fi. We're after the free Wi-Fi. It's that time of year, whānau. That was a close call, whānau. Just about bought their bloody Sunday. But nah, the bro reckons they're just about to close, so. Okay, Universal, hee. No chocolate sundaes today. Found Pizza Hut, got some free Wi-Fi, so I thought I'd sit down and tap into the free Wi-Fi. I wonder if anyone will drop some straps. I wonder if anyone will drop me off some straps. There's a fella just down here. Let's go and have a yarn with him, mate. Do you work here, brother? Whereabouts do you work? Nowhere, are you actually on the street, my bro? Hey? Got kicked out of the place you were living in?
I just got sick of the people, bro.
Oh, Roger.
Roger.
Man, what was your name? Jordan. Hello, my brother. Cheer whānau. Run into brother John. Cheer, my bro. What are we up to? Just having a yarn on the side of the road, eh?
Just found this fella sitting down and I just thought I'd come have a photo. Not many people you see up here from down the bottom. They come up these ways, bro, right up the top.
Roger.
I wish this fella a happy Christmas and a happy New Year's, and hope you find some of our good spots up here.
Nah, message my brother.
Hopefully the locals out there know this guy. Watch him, follow his page.
Cheers.
He's the man.
Brother John's been sharing his posies too. What a top man. Telling us where those oysters are. But you're back off to Hawke's Bay?
I'm off to Hawke's Bay tomorrow just to have Christmas with the family, and yeah, my mum and dad's down there. I've been up here all my life, so better get out of this place once in a while.
Yeah. Massive, my brother John.
Cheers, my bro.
Mihi, my bro. Cheers. Well, that was a buzzy experience there, crossing paths with the brother John. Honestly, whānau, the social media buzz just goes so far beyond what I even thought it would, but ngā mihi, my beautiful whānau, if you're watching this right now, sending you aroha, sending you appreciation, and sending you gratitude for all of your beautiful support. Yeah, unreal. Check it out, whānau, cruising down the Ahipara beach and run into brother Rob. Cheer, my bro. Mean, we've just been having a good yarn. That's been having a good yarn, eh, my bro?
Oh, hard, man. Yeah.
Bro's
Good to meet this fella.
Bro's been getting into a bit of spear fishing.
Yeah, man. Good buzz, eh?
Loving it. Another ocean warrior.
Yeah.
Another ocean warrior, eh, my bro?
Hard, man. Hard.
Yeah. But nah, just looking for a spot to sleep, and thought I'd ask these Māoris over here. We are going to camp up, and sure enough, lo and behold, massive. Crack up buzz, crack up buzz. I just pulled into this little car park here. Saw this security officer, and I asked him, where can I camp along Ahipara? And he goes, oh, you can camp over there. It says no camping, but that's just the locals, and I don't really want to piss off the locals. But he said, oh, you can camp over here. You're not allowed to camp over here, but you can camp over here, and you can just wait until I'm gone. And I said, oh, that's alright with you? He goes, hey, I didn't see anything. Top man. Here's an update. Just parked up at that spot where the security guard was, and I was just sort of like getting stuck into some editing, and the brother that we met down at the beach, Rob, turned up and said, come over home, bro, come crash at our place, cook up a bit of a kai and have a bit of a feed. And so I said, cheers brother, I won't say no to that beautiful offer. Cheers my brother, if you're watching this. Just go with the flow, whānau. Go with the flow, become the wind, become the current, become the wave. Well, it's the next day, whānau, and yes, a bit straight away you noticed I've had my moustache trimmed and my beard trimmed up, but you're gonna have to wait for the next episode to suss that one out. But yeah, just went back to the bro's place, and oh nah, massive hospitality from the bro and his whānau. It's lovely whānau. All of his young fellas, shout out to you my young brothers out there, surfers, mean surfers, and yeah, camped up there for the night, and that was pretty much the day. The bro let me tap into his Wi-Fi, and I did a bit of uploading, and that was pretty much it. Follow the link in the description, whānau, if you want to koha towards this journey, sending big aroha, waves of aroha and positivity to all of you beautiful people who are continuing to watch this journey, to my beautiful patrons, to the whānau who are out there supporting every month, and just life is like a dream, whānau. If there's one bit of advice that I can leave you with today, that is that work on your passions. Give your passions some beautiful energy, attention and focus. If you don't know what your passion is yet, explore yourself to find your passions. And yeah, that's what I'll leave you with today, whānau. See you on the next vlog.